Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about question number 5 of our SQL series. As I said guys, my channel is specifically for data science based workloads, and by data science I mean data analytics and data engineering as well. Guys, future would be just full of people who know full stack AI engineering. There would be no second role. Everything would be consolidated at one place, so start moving fast. So that is the reason guys, I'll try to cover everything in the most quickest pace and with the highest quality of questions guys. Till now 4 questions are uploaded. If you do those 4 questions guys, you will be able to crack 60 to 80% of the interviews with only those 4 questions. The more I upload, we'll go through more ahead, and I have a SQL sheet as well, so I'll combine both of them and give it to you. Do it, and if you guys are failing any interview, just let me know guys. I can challenge you won't be failing any interview. You don't need to spend 3 months 6 months just doing SQL guys. We need to move fast, we need to cover a lot of stuff, and we need to do it in the quickest and most efficient manner. So now guys, let's talk about question 5th. Today usually I share my SQL code and stuff, but you'll be thinking that why I'm writing, because it's a little different question and I want to make sure that I make you understand it well. So consider guys, you have a product table. Okay, so we have a product table which has a column called product id, and this has a question column called product name. Okay, and we have a column called warehouse id. So let's just try to put in some values. Let's just put 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and let's just try to put in some random product names: laptop, smartphone, tablet, desktop, printer, scanner. And guys, we have warehouse id 1 2 null 3 null. Okay guys, this is your product table. Okay, and we have something known as warehouse table as well. Warehouse, so this is a table for warehouses. It has only 2 columns. One is warehouse id, and the second column is warehouse name. So it's 1 2 3 null. So it's north, south, east, and unassigned. So guys, we have 2 tables. Okay, now guys, my question to you is, I want you to first tell me what is the output of left join, and what does this null mean. So what does this null means? This null means, in business sense guys, forget about backend. In business sense, this means that it is null value. That means in some way here the warehouse id should come like unassigned. Okay, but now the thing is that if you will do a simple left join, okay, if you will do a simple left join, you know what would be the what would be the output? The output would be, you would get, I'll be telling you the output. I'm not giving you the syntax for left join. We've used in so many questions previously, and it's super simple as well. It's more about concept. So the output would be product name, and let's say I'm writing the warehouse name. Warehouse name. So what is product name? In product name you will have all these columns. So let me just write their laptop, smartphone, tablet, desktop, printer, scanner. And in warehouse you will have in warehouse name you will have north, south, null, east, null, and null. Now you tell guys you have done left join, and this null didn't get joined with this null. Okay, because guys it's not like that the null will get joined in both the cases, right? The only thing that you need to know is, this is the main concept that you need to know, that regular joins, I'm writing it down, regular joins treat two null values as not equal. Just try to remember this point guys, these are minor things but this will help you ace interviews and some of the advanced business concepts which you are going to implement in the industry. Now you implemented left join and people are like, hey, this is still coming out to be left null. The BI team is like, how will I use it? Everyone is shouting at you, and you as a data engineer or a backend developer, what would you do over here? You want here unassigned to come, because as I said that left join is a regular join and regular joins treat two, here guys there should have come, regular joins treat two null values as not equal. So you want unassigned, how will you get it guys? You have to do a simple trick. Okay, very simple trick you need to do. Whatever is your context, right, whatever is your code, you need to write select, okay, from, and then you would write left join, and in the last you need to write or p dot warehouse id, p is your product table, is null, and w dot warehouse id, this is your warehouse table, warehouse id is null. Now what is this, and condition and what it is saying? So now the left side, the joining condition is warehouse id, everyone knows, but we are writing one more condition, that's or p dot warehouse id is null and w dot warehouse id is null. So because of this thing, whenever it will see that warehouse id is null and my warehouse id over here is null, it's gonna join them, and because of that guys you will have unassigned. So what would be the outcome if you will do like this? The outcome would be, proper outcome would be product name, and here you will have warehouse name, you will have laptop, smartphone, tablet, desktop, printer, scanner, and guys you will have proper things, you will have north, you will have south, you will have unassigned, you will have east, you will have unassigned and unassigned. Why you were able to get these unassigned? Because of this last or condition which you would use. Okay, so the join will happen on those places as well where this is null and this is null, whereas where this is null and this is null, so this is where it's gonna get joined, because essentially guys regular joins don't join null and null. So this, because I showed you the outcome would be this, would have null, but this should have been unassigned. So if you wish to get unassigned over here, what you need to do, you need to apply a concept that's called null safe joins. So people call it null safe joins. So because of that only guys you will be able to get unassigned over here. And how do you do it? Simple, just write your full code over here and then write an or condition, p dot warehouse id is null and w dot warehouse id is null. So your joining has one more condition, whenever they are null, so whenever this is null and this is null, it's gonna get joined and you will have unassigned over here. So I guess you guys got the idea. This is an important concept. These type of questions are asked in many companies guys. Man companies also ask these type of questions, but yeah, I don't want to include a lot of buzzwords and sell my product yet, but I want to get sure the quality is up to the mark. So that's on today's lecture guys. Please try to subscribe guys, a lot of effort goes into making videos. If you have watched this video, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day ahead.